Well, I'm in process of planting a few hundred tulip bulbs. Actually closer to 500, but I'm almost done now. Anyway, I just thought you might want to see how I've done it. This here is these are just 100 various colors of spring tulip bulbs. And once you've planted a few of them, it's pretty easy to do. So let's get the bag open here. Looks like there's several bags in here. I'll just take my spade and push it in the ground. And then push it forward like that. And then you can just put one in, or you can put in several. Now the depth depends on the size of the bulb. The bigger the bulb, the deeper it should go, whereas the biggest bulbs should be 6 inches or so. Lily bulbs are the biggest. Maybe you could even put them 7 inches or so. And so the smaller the bulb, the more shallow the hole. So I just keep push my spade in and push it forward like that. And just push them in. You can tell, see, like right here, this is up and those are the roots on the bottom. So push it right side up in there. I usually like doing this after everything has stopped growing. They'll send you these, if you order them by mail, they'll send them in July and say that's proper planting time. But if you've got a lot of stuff actively growing in your flower bed, you don't actually want to plant them when all things are growing actively, I don't think. And so I wait until things have stopped growing. Right now, this is actually the 1st of November here in Zone 5 in Illinois. Spade in. And push it forward. The more often you dig in your flower bed, the easier this will be. And just put as many in the hole as you want. When I've got hundreds like this, I've had several bags like this. I've planted, but when I get to ordering these in the middle of winter, I get all carried away and order a whole bunch, and then when it comes time to plant them, I'm just not in the mood. So anyway, so just pull the spade straight up and out, push the bulbs in right side up, and then with your hand just pull the dirt back. So push it in, push it forward. So just push the spade in and then pull it like that, and then in the hole right here, that's where you can put the bulbs. Yeah, see, when you've been digging in the soil a lot, it gets easy to push the spade in like that and push it forward. And right here is your hole. I found this to be the easiest way to plant large numbers of bulbs. And make sure you put them right side up. This is the top right here, and that's the bottom. You can see the roots in the bottom. So put it in there right side up. And put your hand on top of them and pull the spade straight up as far as you can. And put your hand on the dirt and pull it back over the bulbs. The biggest bulb should be 6 inches, and the smaller the bulb, the closer to the surface you plant it. And put your hands on the bulbs and pull the shovel straight up. And take your hand and push that dirt over them.